Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of data structure in programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of data structure in programming. Data structures are fundamental components of programming. They play a crucial role in organizing, storing, and manipulating data efficiently. They provide a means to represent and manage data in a structured manner, enabling programmers to write more efficient algorithms and solve complex problems effectively. Here are some key reasons why data structures are important in programming. Number one, efficient data organization. Data structures allows programmers to organize and structure data in a way that facilitates efficient retrieval, insertion, deletion, and modification operations. Different data structures are designed to optimize specific operations, such as arrays for fast random access or linked lists for efficient insertion and deletion. Number two, algorithm design and analysis. Data structures form the foundation for algorithm design and analysis. The choice of an appropriate data structure often impacts the efficiency and performance of algorithms. By selecting the right data structure, programmers can significantly improve the runtime complexity and optimize the overall performance of their programs. Number three, memory utilization. Data structures influence how efficiently memory is utilized. They determine the amount of memory required to store data and how it is allocated. Efficient data structures help minimize memory overhead and can lead to more optimized memory utilization, especially when dealing with large data sets. Number 4, code reusability and modularity. Using well-defined data structures promote code reusability and modularity. When data structures are properly designed and implemented, they can be reused across different parts of the program or different programs altogether. This reduces code duplication, simplifies maintenance, and enhances code readability. Number 5, problem-solving capability. Many programming problems requires efficient data organization and manipulation. Data structures provide the necessary tools to solve these problems by offering appropriate operations and algorithms. For example, three data structures are essential for tasks like hierarchical organization. Graph algorithms rely on graph data structures and hash tables, enabling efficient lookup and retrieval. Number 3, scalability and performance. Data structures impact the scalability and performance of software systems. Choosing the right data structure based on the problem requirements and expected data volume can significantly affect how well a program scales as the data grows. Efficient data structures can ensure that programs remain performance even with increasing data size. Number 7, interoperability and compatibility. Standardized data structures and algorithms facilitate interoperability and compatibility among different programming languages, libraries, and frameworks. By adhering to common data structures, programmers can seamlessly integrate their code with existing systems, leverage existing libraries, and collaborate more effectively with other developers. In summary, data structures are of utmost importance in programming as they enable efficient data organization, algorithm design, memory utilization, code reusability, problem solving, scalability, and interoperability. Mastery of data structures is crucial for programmers aiming to develop optimized, robust, and scalable software solutions. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about the importance of data structure in computer programming. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.